Hey, let me give you guys some free game. You want to make $10,000 in the next 30 days wholesaling real estate? I'm going to give you 3 easy, free ways for you to get your next deal and close out within the next 30 days. Number 1 is joint venture, right? Joint venture with other wholesalers who have properties for sale. They'll be willing to work with you to actually joint venture on a deal to find an end buyer, and you guys will split the commission. Number 2, for sale by owners. I love for sale by owners because they are already in the market to sell their home and looking for a cash offer. So as you're driving around neighborhoods, look for those for sale by owner signs. It's an easy way to get a deal. No money out of pocket. You're getting paid for just negotiating a deal. Number 3, a hidden secret, a hidden tip that you can utilize that seasoned investors use is yard sales, estate sales, right? Now, 9 times out of 10, if someone is going to do a yard sale or an estate sale, they're in the planning stages of selling that property. You as a wholesaler, as an investor, can look for yard sales, estate sales, look for those online, Craigslist, wherever you can find a yard sale and estate sale. Make sure to stop in, speak with the family, the homeowner, and ask if they have any plans of selling the property and if they have an idea of what they will sell the property for. These are some insider tips that you can use to lock down your next deal and make $10,000 in the next 30 days. My name is Hakeem, your real estate partner, and thank you for joining me. I'll catch you next time.